What up, all you schmexy people? Except for you.
Sad.
Just kidding, you schmexy too.
Yay.
What up, it's KTG.
I thought you were killed in 612. What's going on?
You are right. I was.
I'm a starter, right? Yeah. Sorry if I'm blind, stuck up all of mine. I can't let you go. I'm right here, baby.
And only the first 300 would know that.
300.
I call them the first 300 because I did a lot of name changes within my first 300 subscribers. I was Killed in the Ninja, and then I was Kill 612. I changed from Killed in the Ninja because it was just a long process to tell people that name. When you ask somebody to subscribe to your channel, and they're like, what's your name? And you're like, Killed in the Ninja. And they're like, how do you spell that? And blah, blah, blah. And it's like 10 minutes has passed.
How can I be able to see it? This is your YouTube. Put it in. I'll check it.
So I wanted to shorten it. So I changed it to Kill 612. And then, I mean, that was easier. It was shorter, but people weren't finding me because I was going by KIL 612. And of course, people are going to spell it with two L's. Of course. Correct way to spell it. No one's fault but my own. So, again, I had to change the name. So then I went to KTG, which stands for Killing the Game 612. I kept that because that is my area code. That's a Minneapolis area code. My cell phone is still 612. I know you guys catch me in the 651 a lot, but my heart is in the 612. That's where I'm from. That's where I was raised. I just love the 612. That is basically who I am, how I got to this point, how I came to the KTG name. And if you watch some of the older videos, you'll see that it'll still say Killed in the Ninja in the videos or Kill 612. And I'm slowly going through all of those. I'm re-editing those, putting the new intros. A lot of those videos, they haven't even hit like 100 views. Maybe a couple hundred views. So I feel like they haven't got quite the exposure that they should get. I think they're still good videos in my opinion. So I'm just going to update them. Give them better thumbnails, things like that. So you'll see those ones re-edited and re-uploaded. So keep in mind, just wanted to update you on why I did all the name changes and how I've come to this point of the KTG 612. So I hope you understand. I'm just trying to make it easier for everyone to be able to search for me, be able to find me. You know, it's KTG 612. 6 characters total. So quick search. That's why I do it. So I appreciate everyone that's been here for me, especially the first 300. I love you guys so much. You guys are so loyal, so awesome. Just recently, everything's just been exploding. Right now, I'm currently at 750 something. So I'm getting there. This is still the mission to 1K. I'm still here. I'm still uploading. Trying to do it weekly. I'm doing it weekly, and I've been up to that standard. So maybe twice a week now. We'll see. Try to keep uploading. Try to stay active within the community. I appreciate you all. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much.
Stay safe. Stay clean.
How can I be able to see it?
Subscribe.
Please subscribe.
Subscribe with the A turn.
Please subscribe. I live ratchet as hell. Don't judge me. My nails are.
Look for me. You about to be on there.